Now let's turn it over to John Sulet for the awarding ceremony.
Welcome to the awarding ceremony ng PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup. Isa na namang solid na conference ang napanood natin sa ating pambansang liga. Maraming mga nagpakilala na solid na bagong players, pero sa dulo, ang nagtuos pa rin sa finals, dalawang veteranong koponan, dalawang naghari na dito sa Philippine Cup. First, let's award our runners-up. And for this, tawagin muna po natin ang ating commissioner, PBA Commissioner, Mr. Willie Marshall, kasama ang chairman of the PBA and team governor ng TNT Tropang 5G, Governor Ricky Vargas. And we'll also call in our PBA Vice Chairman, Mr. Al Francis Chua. Binigyan tayo ng napakagandang komperensya, napakagandang serye. Palakpakan po natin ang runners-up ng PBA Philippine Cup, ang TNT Tropang 5G.
Kawawa naman sila, oy. Umiyak talaga. Super effort din.
Once again, ang ating runners-up for the PBA Golden Season Philippine Cup, your TNT Tropang 5G. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to meet your champions for the PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup, ang inyong San Miguel Beermen! Chris Miller, Royce Mantua, J.M. Talma, Dre Cahilig, Chris
Wala si
Rosales,
Pardo po.
Mo
Kuha na
Tantua,
lang.
Wami Johnson,
Lagi na lang
Rodney
siya,
Branyan, Chris Ross, Marcio Lassiter, Don Trollano, Jericho Cruz, CJ Perez, and Junmar Fajardo. The San Miguel Beermen are led by their coaching staff first. Their assistant coaches, Mr. Peter Martin, Ato Agustin, Tayo Mendoza, B-Boy Rabanes, Boise Samar, playing assistant coach Chris Ross. Their consultant is George Gallant, team manager Gia Vanilla, assistant team manager Daniel Henares, and team governor Robert Non, and of course, their head coach, Coach Leo Austria. Once again, your champions, the San Miguel Beermen! And awarding our champions, of course, your commissioner, Commissioner Willie Marshall. Our champions, syempre makakarinig din tayo straight from the champs. Unahin na natin ang mensahe mula sa head coach. We call him Coach Leo Austria.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Nais po namin magpasalamat sa lahat ng fans, ng Token Text at saka San Miguel, lalo na yung walang tigil na suporta ng SMB fans. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Sana huwag kayo magsawa sumuporta sa amin. But this game, napakaganda nito para sa amin. So indeed,
Extra secure ang checkout with login safe authorization. Use GCash Pay online.
yung boss namin. At ganun din, si Boss Al Francis, He's always with us since game 1 ng finals. Talagang grabe ang suporta niya. Kaya maraming boss. And then of course, ang coaching staff na walang sawa sumusuporta sa akin, lalo na ang mga support staff, mga PT, manager, governor, assistant manager, lahat sila, malaking tulong sa team namin. But, ang bida dito ay yung mga players. Okay. Dahil sa kanila, nagmukha na naman akong magaling. Ayan. Kaya, maraming salamat po. Sana, ipagpatuloy nyo ang suporta sa PBA. Not only the San Miguel Beermen. Okay, lahat po sila. Dahil sila po nagbibigay ng kaligayahan sa mga Pilipino. Dahil alam po natin, our nation was tagged as the crazy nation of basketball. Maraming salamat po.
Your 11th-time PBA head coaching champion, Coach Leo Austria. At ngayon naman po, ipapasa natin ang mikropono sa team governor ng San Miguel Beermen, Governor Robert Non.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Una-una, we give praise and thanks to the Lord for giving us this back-to-back All-Filipino Championship. Salamat, Lord! At ito ay milestone sa aming team dahil 50th season ng PBA. So nakuha namin yung All-Filipino and hopefully next conference we'll go for back-to-back again. But of course, salamat sa aming boss RSA, sa patuloy na suporta kay Mr. Cacos Berba, sa aming sports director. Ito talagang lagi nandito eh. Coach Al Francis Chua, sa ating mga players, staff, sa inyong mga fans, salamat. Tsaka ito yung Coach Leo at tinuturing kong one of the top PBA coaches in the PBA. Ewan ko kung bakit itong hindi nasa site eh. 11 na to, 11 championship na to. Oh, siguro naman, no? Tabla na sila ni Coach Shot. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Salamat.
Thank you very much, Governor Robert Non. San Miguel Beermen, 31-time PBA champions, 12 sa Philippine Cup. At ngayon, makakarinig tayo from SMC Sports Director, Mr. Al Francis Chua.
Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. SMB! Congratulations! Thank you! Itong game na to, dinededicate namin sa aming, of course, ang aming President CEO, si JPA, kay Mr. Berba, ang aming Presidente, at lalo-lalo na sa aming boss, Boss Arisay! Back to back po
Daw
tayo!
akong idol.
Of course, Coach Leo, congratulations.
Tulog na daw po.
Prove again, back to back.
Malin mo yung charger.
But
Ita-charge mo yung panatin. Ito na.
Finals, I dedicate this, 2 beses na. Unang-una kay Rodney Budrial. Rodney, congratulations. But, walang nag-expect. Chris, ang pinakabata. Ito ang humindong sa kanila. Okay, dahil sa kanyang depensa. Chris, congratulations. I want to congratulate all the coaching staff, yung mga PTs, yung tumutulong, yung mga ball boys, sila Jules, lahat ng tumutulong dito sa amin, sa San Miguel. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Maraming salamat po sa suporta nyo. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you very much to SMC Sports Director, Mr. Al Francis Chua. PBA fans, mahigit sa 14,000 ang sumama sa atin sa Mall of Asia Arena ngayon para matunghayan ang Game 6. At mapapanood rin natin ang isang historic event sa history, sa kasaysayan ng PBA dahil for the very first time, ibibigay natin ang bagong pinangalanang Ramon Fernandez PBA Finals MVP Trophy. And for this, we call on First Commissioner Willie Marshall to be joined by the one and only, the man whose trophy this was named after, 4-time PBA MVP, Mr. Ramon Fernandez. At tawagin na rin po natin ang ating PBA Press Corps to award our finals MVP. Our PBA Press Corps, composed, of course, of our president from Abante, Vladi Duarte, PBA Press Corps president from Spin.ph, Jerry Ramos, our Press Corps vice president from Philippine Daily Inquirer, Mr. Jonas Terado, our auditor from Spin.ph, Mr. Ruben Terado, our PBA Press Corps treasurer from the Philippine Star, Olvin Leyba, and our PBA Press Corps secretary representing Tiebreaker Times, Mr. Justin